Hi, Richard Greaves, Remax Alpine Realty, and this is your Canmore real estate market update for April 2021. It was another very busy month. We had 95 sales for the month, so a very busy month, very low inventory again. We were down about 14% in sales over March. March we had 110 sales, but still sales numbers that we really don't often see in Canmore with 95 for the month. Year to date, we have had, to the end of April, 369 sales, and that is just over 55% of the total sales that we saw for 2020, which was a record-breaking year for sales volume in the Valley. So the first quarter, or the first 4 months, have been extremely busy for Canmore real estate, and it looks like that's going to continue into May and June. Let's take a look at some of the numbers a little more closely so that we can get a better idea of what happened in April and what we think might happen in May, June, moving forward. So as you can see, the single-family home price point for the month of April, we had 11 single-family homes sell, and the average single-family home price was $1.7 million. And that was at about 99% of the list price. So single-family homes, certainly the higher-end market, were selling just under list price for the month of April at about 99%. Every other category that you see here, the half duplexes, the townhomes, the apartments, hotel condos, the tourist homes, all sold for between 0.5% and 1% over list price. And the average sale price in April for the month was actually higher than the average list price. And we really haven't seen that before in Canmore. So that's certainly something new that, as I say, we haven't seen before. The average sale price being $815,000 and the average list price being $801,000. That puts the average square foot price for a property in Canmore right now for the month of April at $640 per square foot. And properties were selling on average very quickly this month, 32 days. The average for the year so far is about 55 days. So April, we just saw very, very quick sales, primarily due to the lack of inventory and the huge buyer demand that we're still seeing. And that was pushing the prices above list price as well. As we move into May, we have about 80 active listings on the market right now. And as I say, that is very much below the 250 to 280 listings that we need to be a balanced market. I still don't see where we're going to sort of generate the inventory back from in the resale market to get back to a balanced market. So I think we're going to be deep into the seller's market for a while. We are starting to see the signs of some buyer fatigue, where buyers are missing out on properties due to multiple offers and are starting to think about just sitting back a bit and waiting to see what happens moving over the next few months. So it'll be interesting to see if we do see a bit of demand drop off a little bit over May, June. But with the severe shortage of listings, I think we're going to continue to see multiple offers here for quite some time. But we'll have a better idea as we move into May and we start to see the May numbers. If you have any questions at all about the Canmore real estate market, if you're thinking of buying or selling in the Canmore real estate market, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help. My number is 403-688-7629, and you can reach me at richard@alpinerealty.ca. Thanks for watching, and we will speak to you next month.